Good morning all of you. Today I am here to discuss about respiration in plants. That is, in this chapter previously I have told you it was discussed that what are the types of respiration. Okay. Then we discussed about energy, how much energy is released in the respiration process, and at the same time the process glycolysis, Krebs cycle and electron transport chain. So these three were discussed. Today I will be discussing about respiratory substrate. So the word respiratory substrate means substance which is oxidized to release the energy necessary for cell growth and maintenance. So for the cell growth and maintenance, that type of substance which is present there and can break down to release ATP, that is known as respiratory substrate. Okay. Now this respiratory substrate can include amino acids, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, etc. So these can be included in respiratory substrate because these substances are only breaking down to release energy. Okay, so they will be called as respiratory substrates. Next is we have to study about factors which affect the respiration process. So factors which affect respiration, first is oxygen. So oxygen level is directly proportional to rate of respiration. Means if oxygen is more, rate of respiration will be more. Second is temperature. Temperature is also directly proportional to rate of respiration. Means if temperature will be more, rate of respiration will be more. But above 45 degrees centigrade, the rate of respiration decreases since the enzymatic activity is reduced. Above 45 degrees centigrade, what happens? The enzymes, whatever is responsible for breaking down of food into energy, that will be breaking down. Okay. Denaturation of proteins takes place. Enzymes are generally proteins, so denaturation takes place at 45 degrees centigrade. So above 45 degrees centigrade, rate of respiration will decrease. Next is carbon dioxide. The amount of carbon dioxide, or you can tell the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, is inversely proportional to the rate of respiration. Means if suppose concentration of CO2 is more, then the rate of respiration will be less, and if suppose concentration of CO2 is less, then the rate of respiration will be more. Next is water. So water also is directly proportional to rate of respiration. So if water will be present in adequate amount, the rate of respiration will increase because water serves as the solvent for the metabolism of substances inside the body. So whatever the chemicals are present inside the body which has to be reduced or which has to be broken down, first it has to be mixed with the solvent. Okay, mixed with the solvent. So the water acts as the solvent. That's why the presence of water or the concentration of water increases the rate of respiration. Next we have light. Presence of light or sunlight increases the rate of respiration. In that process, what is happening? Amount of light whatever is being taken by the body, any organism's body. In that case, if light is more, here we are talking about plants. So if light is more amount of starch will be produced, and when more amount of starch will be produced, the respiration process will be more. Okay, once starch will be produced, then only there will be breakdown of starch. So here we are telling that presence of light increases the rate of respiration. Next is mineral nutrients. So mineral nutrients, if we will talk about mineral nutrients, some of the minerals are there which are responsible for enhancing the rate of respiration. Example, we have iron. Iron serves as the cofactor for many of the enzymes. So for many of the enzymes, iron serves as cofactor. If that mineral will be present, the rate of respiration will increase. Okay. Next we have internal factors. Some of the internal factors are also responsible for the respiration, rate of respiration process. Suppose the pH is there, okay, so the pH is there, then we have alkalinity is there, and the body temperature, inside temperature of the body is also there, then conditions, internal conditions are there, means energy, how much, if suppose some organs are damaged, body is not feeling well, in that case rate of respiration may vary. The same condition is applied for the plants also. Okay, so if we have to deal with the rate of respiration, in that case we have to see each and every point which is related to that, and at the same time we have to see the amount of substrate which is present in the body. If the substrate will not be present in adequate amount, respiration will not take place at proper amount, so rate of respiration will be reduced. Okay, so till today we have discussed about rate of respiration, what is respiration, the types of respiration, then the products of respiration, what all products we will get after respiration process, then the factors affecting respiration, respiratory substrate, and then we have studied about the stages of respiration process. Okay, so till this we have completed. In the next class we will be discussing more about this chapter. Okay, thank you. Especially the experimental parts we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.